Hello my lovely foodie members, welcome back again to my channel. In today's video I share with you how to make this crunchy savory chips. Trust me, with few ingredients you are going to achieve this deliciousness. If you are new to my channel, hello, this is Cooking with Evia. Do want to subscribe and be part of this beautiful family. Now without wasting my time, let's dive right in. So let's start by mixing our ingredients. We're going to be needing all-purpose flour. You can also use freezing flour or plain flour if that is what you have. Okay, moving forward, I'll also go in with some nutmeg. Next, I'll go in with some powdered milk and also some salt to taste. I'll stir everything together beautifully until all the ingredients are well incorporated. Alright, so moving forward, I'll go in with my salted butter. I'll stir everything together using my hands until the butter incorporates very well with the flour. While that is going on, let me also use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for liking my videos, sharing, also commenting on my videos. I am very grateful. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so after mixing the butter with the flour, I forgot to go in with some vanilla essence. So now let's go in with it to give the chips extra flavor. Alright, so while that is done, I'll set it aside. Now for my natural spices, I'm going to be using 3 cloves of garlic and also 1 medium-sized onion. For the garlic, I'm going to crush it in this mini mortar until I get the right consistency that I'm looking for. And while that is done, I'll add it to the flour and I'll grate the onion as well. You can as well blend it if you don't want to stress yourself. Okay, so now let's go ahead and grate the onion. Moving forward, I'm going to combine everything together, and while that is done, I'll go in with my water. And as always, you should go in with the water little by little to achieve the perfect consistency. I always get a lot of comments about the quantity of water I use in my puff puff or any pastries that I make. The thing is, I don't measure it, so you keep on adding it little by little to achieve the perfect consistency, and trust me, it will never fail you. If you are still with me at this point and you haven't still followed me on all social media platforms, baby, what are you waiting for? Kindly do follow me there and let's vibe over there as well. Thank you so much for coming. Alright, so after adding the water bit by bit, this is the right consistency that we're going for. It shouldn't be very soft and it shouldn't be very tough as well. So next we're going to flour working surface, and while that is done, I'm going to place my dough on it and I'll use my rolling pin to roll out the dough until it's very flat. Yes, the trick is that the more it becomes very flat, the more it becomes more crunchy. So kindly note it. So now let's roll it out until we achieve the perfect size that we're looking for. And if you haven't still subscribed to the channel yet, babe, what are you waiting for? Kindly do subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload new videos like this, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Don't forget as well to share this video to your lovely friends and family for them also to enjoy this amazing recipe as well. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so after rolling out the dough, this is the perfect thickness or size that we're looking for. It should be very thin and perfect, just like this. Yes, at this point I'm going to set this aside and I'll heat up my cooking oil. Now you can use any cooking oil to fry this chips recipe. Any cooking oil works perfectly fine, okay? Alright, so it's been 1 minute of heating the oil and it's nice and very hot. So I'll test with one of the dough to see if it's nice and very hot, and as you can see from the bubbles, it's very hot now. So I'm going to split in my dough just the way you're seeing it on your screens right now. Yes, we don't have a professional way of splitting it. You just have to do it just the way you want it, okay? And trust me, it will come out very beautifully and just perfect. And as always, remember to fry these chips on low medium heat to achieve the perfect consistency. And also keep an eye on it and check it from time to time, because we really want these chips to really come out very perfect. Alright, so while that is going on, if you haven't still given this video a thumbs up yet, kindly give this video a thumbs up. Also share this video to your lovely friends and family for them also to enjoy this amazing recipe as well. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so now let's continue to stir this until it's nice and very crunchy. After frying the cheese for about 3 to 5 minutes now, this is how it turned out. It turned out really crispy and I love the outcome as well. I hope you're going to try this at home. Even if you're making party or any get together, trust me, this is one of the snacks that you need to go for. It's very easy to put together and at the end, everybody will really enjoy it. Trust the process and you are going to love it. Now we're going to repeat the same process until everything is nice and well fried. And so while that is going on, let me also know in the comment section what you think about this African savory party chips. I love it and trust me, you are going to love it as well. So all you have to do is to trust the process. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Do well to subscribe as always. Also turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I do upload new videos like this, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much and kindly stay blessed. Bye.